It takes challenge, it takes opportunities that allow us to step outside of ourselves, to become our greater selves. And I think that's what challenge does for us.
Oh, we did paintball. That was really fun. He was like sliding on the ground and going in the trenches and stuff. And he was like, yeah, go this way, go this way. I was like,
MTAC made me feel connected. It helped me connect with my son.
I thought it was a great opportunity, and I just wanted to come spend some time with my son.
You get families from all over the country. We just do some team building games and just what we consider old school family stuff. We sit down, have meals together, we play games together, and we leave technology out of it.
The goal of this weekend is to kind of like hang out with your family and like be with them and like no electronics and have fun. Just having like one-on-one time to like really talk.
It's pretty rare that a parent and teen get one-on-one focused time together for an extended period of time. So by giving them the time to have a lot of exposure and be with each other, they have conversations that they may not typically have at home. They bridge gaps in communication with each other, and really we hope that they go back as a stronger parent-teen unit.
It is difficult sometimes to remember that I'm not talking to a soldier, I'm talking to a 15-year-old. So sometimes you have to reset, and this environment is better for that because it's fun.
There we go. Rafting, paddling, climbing, rappelling.
Plenty of activities to do, plenty of adventures to experience.
It's definitely pushed us as we force how to work together.
And they're with people that understand what they've gone through.
It's really nice just knowing that other people know kind of what I've gone through, like trying to move around, making new friends, new schools, everything like that. Just nice to like connect with them.
It's not too often that you can get a weekend away, 4 days away with your kids, get them off phones, get them out in the outdoors, get them around other kids that are like in terms of military, and really be able to spend time with them and watch them interact with other kids as well as yourself.
Everything is challenged by choice, but we do encourage people to push themselves and try to experience something new and challenge yourself to have fun.
And without those opportunities of challenge, we don't oftentimes get a chance to show our best selves to each other, and I think that's something that happens here in these camps as well.
My favorite saying is do it scared. The thing about do it scared is most of the time the fear is just what's blocking you from doing something incredible.
So we've got all the basic aspects of the perfect developmental context between parent, child, family groups, parent, child-to-child groups. It's all in that same environment, and it's perfect for kids to be able to have a thriving environment that brings them back year after year, that we can measure and have long-term outcomes, which this camp has been doing for 15 years.
But we've really found the value in bringing the parent service member or parent who's at home and the teenager together for these kind of relationships and a camp setting.
And to let people know that we're family for a weekend. We can have camps anywhere. We want to have them all over the country. We believe the product that we have is valuable, and we believe that we would love to replicate it. But as far as partnerships come, we're welcoming partners. We definitely look for support, because every person that comes through this camp, and they're going to tell you they would want to come back.
Yeah, my dad's about to leave for a year. Whenever I think about him like gonna be gone and stuff, like I can think about like the time before he left, like I can think about what we did here.
As he goes into high school and is getting ready to go off to college, these opportunities are going to be less and less. So I hope it stays with him.
Watch what happens. Watch the new forever relationships that you'll make. Watch who your child will become and watch who you'll become. You'll find strengths that you didn't know existed.